In this video, we will discuss how to add bookmarks in Business Central. Bookmarks are a quick and easy way to get access to quick resources. Let's, for example, add resources to our navigation menu. First, go to the search menu and now search for the keyword resources. Now that resources has appeared, hover over resources and click the bookmark icon on the right-hand side. You can also add others. For example, let's add resource setup as well. If we go back to the main screen, you will now see both resources and resource setup in the navigation menu at the top. You will now be able to easily access the resource table just by clicking on it in the menu window. From the right side of the screen, you will also be able to see that it is now bookmarked, and easily can choose to remove the bookmark items by clicking the bookmark symbol. Now go back to the home screen and you will just see resource setup. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our video.